Okay, I'm here doing a bike check. Let's see. Okay. Let's walk over. Put my bike on. There you go. Okay. So, I just got these grips. Got them on eBay. They're like F1 Fusion Elite something grips, old school style, and they're really grippy, comfortable. The only bad thing is, compared to my other grips, they're wicked small. So just say these are 6 inches long. I think they're a little shorter. Just say these are 5 inches. So ready, see right here? See these 2 lines right here and right here? This thing used to be right here. And this was all the way up to here. So like, it's like 2 inches shorter, which annoys me. But it does give me a wider turn radius.